Welcome. Today, we're diving into an essential aspect of Instagram privacy, managing who can tag you in posts. Whether you want to limit tags from strangers or simply take control of your profile, this updated guide will walk you through the steps to customize your tagging settings. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're in, look for your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your personal profile, where all your photos and interactions are displayed. Next, you'll want to find the More icon, which appears as three horizontal lines at the top of the page. Click on this icon to open a menu that gives you access to various settings and options related to your account. From the menu, navigate to the Settings option. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to manage your account effectively. Once in Settings, look for Privacy and tap on it. Here, you'll see a section labeled Tags and Mentions. This is where the magic happens. Under Who Can Tag You, you have several options to choose from. You can allow tags from everyone, restrict them to only people you follow, or even turn off tagging entirely. If you're looking for more control, consider enabling the option for manual approval of tags. This way, every time someone tags you in a post, you'll get a chance to review and approve it before it appears on your profile. After making your changes, be sure to save them. This simple adjustment can significantly enhance your Instagram experience by ensuring that only those you trust can tag you in their posts. In summary, managing who can tag you on Instagram is straightforward and allows for greater control over your online presence. By following these steps, opening the app, accessing your profile, navigating through settings, and adjusting your tagging preferences, you can tailor your Instagram experience to suit your privacy needs. Enjoy a more secure and personalized social media journey.